Alright, so today I wanted to showcase my recently built bike. Let me see. Let you guys get a good look. Check out the lug details. NJS nitto bars, 125s, sugino cranks, sugino Zen ring with Izumi chain, front and rear fill hubs, 32 hole. We double butted philwood spokes, made it to velocity DVs. Rear tire is a Continental Gatorskin. Great tire, by the way. Seat is SLR, selle Italia. Check out that clearance. True track frame. 100mm spacing up front. And also check out that spacing in the back. 120 rear. Columbus track ends. All lugged construction. All this equals a very smooth and comfortable ride when I'm cruising down the streets. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave me any comments. I will be happy to answer them as soon as I can.